This is how squishy and stretchy everything is. And as you can see, it's like Jello. I like too that it's handmade and we don't have to make it.
Yeah, it's already made.
Hey guys, this is how jiggly my slime is, and as you can see, it stretches and breaks apart. So, if you guys know, if you play with slime, just be aware that's to play with it on your surface. It breaks apart a lot, but that's alright. We just like to mix together all of the slimes. And as you can see, you can put the slime right there. Sorry fans, if you saw that. That is my mom farting. That's my mom, if you guys didn't know. But we just like to serve viewers making of slime. As you can tell, I love slime. And look how stretchy everything is. We have like a big ball of slime to play with. And we're going to show you it kind of breaks apart, which I like. Because then you can put the slime back together. I really like it breaks apart because then you can put the slime together. You can see. It all breaks apart. It all breaks apart just like that. So if you guys know, woo! Good thing it didn't break apart. I really like this slime. So if you guys know, if you get any kids with slime, just make sure you play with it. I really like slime, as you guys can see. It's jiggling all over the table. And I really like that it breaks apart. Super jiggly. And as you can see, it's like Jello. As you can see, it's like amazing Jello, because we can just jiggle it all around the place. We can even make snakes out of our homemade slime that we opened. Ooh, there's bubbles. And we can also put it in a bag and you can play with it later. you put it, seal it up into a bag. Bye bye, fans. And give my video a big thumbs up and a like. Put the link right there if you want to watch my